viewers, today we are going to look at the preparation of gases and how we can test for such gas. But today we are going to concentrate on the preparation of hydrogen gas and the testing of hydrogen gas. So our topic for today is preparation and test for hydrogen gas. Most of the times we have two methods to collect a gas in the laboratory. So after we have prepared the gas, we have two methods we can use to collect the gas. One is upward delivery, that is the downward displacement of air, and we have the downward delivery, that is the upward displacement of air. Now, in the laboratory preparation of a hydrogen gas, we use metals such as the zinc metal, magnesium metal, and we can use the iron. Now, we cannot use group 1 metals such as the potassium and sodium. These metals, we can't use these metals in the preparation of hydrogen gas because these metals react violently with mineral acid, and because of that I will not advise you to use potassium metal or sodium metal. Now, if you want to prepare a hydrogen gas, we can use the zinc granule or the granulated zinc metal, and we react with it with mineral acid. And one of the mineral acid we normally use is either the HCl or the H2SO4. That is the sulfuric acid or the hydrochloric acid. One thing we have to know is that in the preparation of a hydrogen gas, before the gas can be evolved or we can get the gas, it means that we have to react the metal to the acid. So through this reaction, okay, so I have my equation on the board. So one thing you have to know that chemical reactions can be elaborated or be represented by equations. So anytime I want to produce this gas, our concern here is the gas produced, that is the hydrogen gas. If I want to prepare this hydrogen gas or produce this hydrogen gas, then it means that I have to react zinc granule and concentrated HCl, or I'm using the aqueous. Okay, I'm using the aqueous HCl. So now we have our HCl, that is the hydrogen chloride, that is the concentrated one. Here I'm going to use the concentrated one. I'll get the same result. So I have my hydrochloric acid, I have my granulated zinc or zinc granules, I have my test tube. So the test tube is what I'm going to use for the test or for the production of a hydrogen gas. Okay, so now I have my spatula also here. So I'm going to fetch some quantity of the zinc granules. So I have my zinc granules. I am going to add hydrochloric acid. So if I add a hydrochloric acid, I'm going to produce a hydrogen gas. Okay, so now I have closed the test tube with my thumb. I don't want the gas to escape. So I have produced the gas. I don't want the gas to escape. So how do I test for the gas being produced, that is the hydrogen gas? So here I'm going to bring a flame closer to the test tube, the mouth of the test tube. So I'll remove my hand, then I will bring the flame closer to it. And the presence of a hydrogen gas will give a pop sound. So let's watch that. Okay, I believe you heard the pop sound. Now, we were able to produce hydrogen gas and we have tests for the gas. So, in the lab, we can get so many gases, but we have some chemical tests we can use to distinguish these gases. For instance, if you want to test for hydrogen gas as we just produced, you will bring a flame closer to it and it will give a pop sound, the pop sound. So the pop sound shows the presence of a hydrogen gas. Now, what is the application of these gas that we have produced? What do we use them for? Someone may ask. Hydrogen gas is used in the industry for the hardening of oil to convert it to what? A margarine. So anytime we produce a margarine, that is the application of adding a hydrogen gas to an oil. Then we harden the oil, then we produce a margarine. Hydrogen gas is also used to convert coal to synthetic petrol in the petrochemical industry. So anytime you want to hydrogen gas can also be used to prepare ammonia. That is using the Haber process, the Born-Haber process. And if you want to produce ammonia, then so this is what we call the Born-Haber process for the production of ammonia. So hydrogen gas is used. Don't forget, this is hydrogen gas plus nitrogen. Then we get ammonia through the Born-Haber process. Hydrogen gas can also be used in the welding industry for the cutting of steel. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, bring your comments next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.